From generation to generation, passed down through every age, there's a story of a savior whose love will never change. All creation will bow before him, every tongue will praise his name. Until the day he comes again, we will say, you are worthy. You are worthy, Lord, of every song we sing, every breath we breathe. Let our praises ever be that you are worthy, so worthy, Lord. Through the valleys and the mountains, you've heard our every prayer. On earth as it is in heaven, we know you're always there. There's nothing like your presence, there's no one who compares. For all eternity, we declare you are worthy.
7 days. 7 days old.
You are requesting for passport. Not with it here.
Passport, you mean international passport? Okay, if you don't have international passport. Okay. Local government attestation. So guys, we are the registrar to register for the court wedding. So we came to like make inquiries of what to bring and also fill forms, like the form that we're supposed to fill. So let me show you guys around for you guys to see. This is how the registrar is. So we are about going. We just finished filling the forms and everything, so we are about going right now. I'll see you guys later, and I'll also tell you guys what we did and the things that we paid for. Yes, because it's not free. So guys, take care. All right.
Somebody's crying, Bolo. Somebody's crying, Bolo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in despair. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate. I want to thank you guys for everything or all the support you guys have given to me, watching my videos, also commenting, congratulating me on my wedding. I really appreciate. So this video is all about me, like to explain all about things that we went to register for our court wedding. I say that I'm going to like give you guys the updates on how or what we did. Yes, but yeah, I finally did my hair, guys, and yeah, I look more beautiful right now than I think, right? Yeah. So first of all, when we went to the registrar in Owerri, Imo State. Yes, so we were asked to, okay, first they asked us the date or the time that we want to do it, as in they gave us like options. They gave us like 1 week time or 21 days. So because of we needed it urgent, so we decided to like take the 1 week on. Yeah, so after the options, they will not tell you the prices of each of them, because 1 week has its price while 21 days had its price. So as we choose that 1 week, we had to pay the price, and as we choose the 21 days, or if you choose the 21 days, you have to pay the price too. So after that, they now asked us to fill a form. They brought a form that you have to fill your name, your father's name, the date you did your traditional wedding, your husband's name, the name you want to be used, like for change of name, like affidavit of change of name. Yeah, so that's what we fill. Then after that, we have to pay for the 1 week time, like the 1 week court wedding that we decided to take. Yeah, so after that, the man also tell us that we are going to submit a passport or an ID, like maybe your international passport or voter's card or your NIN, like national ID card. So we now told him that we don't have that right with us, that when we go back home, we'll snap and send to him. So that's all for this court wedding stuff. And now they also told us that we'll come a day before the day for counseling. Yeah, so that's all about it. But because of this election stuff, like as I'm doing this video, there was election in Imo State. So that particular Thursday that we'll choose will not happen because of the election, because of lockdown. So we decided to like push it ahead after the lockdown. So yeah, as a time I'm doing this particular video, yes, I don't know when I'm going to upload this particular video, but as a time that I'm doing this particular video, that particular Thursday, the 1 week that we choose, is going to be locked down. And again, this court wedding stuff in Owerri, they told us that they don't like, they have a particular is it a particular day that they normally do their court wedding. Like they normally do court wedding on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. They don't do like Monday, Wednesday or Friday. So yeah, so we have to choose wisely. You have to choose wisely, guys. So that's all for this particular court wedding registration. Yeah, and I'm so grateful to God for keeping us alive, all of us, and I'm so grateful to God to, as in, directing our footsteps in everything we are doing. And I really thank you guys for, as in, for turning up for me, for everything you guys have done for me, for also subscribing. And I hope if you are seeing this face, or if this is your first time of seeing this face, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara and say yes, and Yeah, make sure you subscribe and comment. Also share and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. And that's it guys. Bye for today. I love you guys. Mwah.